The strength of impetus is to cultivate the strong intention again and again that one will train in twofold bodhicitta during the bardo. Then the strength of familiarization is to recollect the ways one has trained in twofold bodhicitta in the past. The particular conduct is to lie on one's right side, with the right hand supporting the right cheek. With the little finger of that hand close the right nostril and breathe through the left. Then, with love and compassion as a preliminary, train in giving and taking as you breathe in and out. After this, consider that everything within samsara and nirvana, including birth and death, is only a mental projection. Our mind itself is not truly existent in any way. Then rest in this state of understanding without clinging to anything at all. The instructions for the moment of death. None is more wonderful than this.